Lee ekwentị m. Nke nga m debere ekwentị m. Nga kpọọ ya. Ị bịara be nwa m eri ihe. Nwa m nwoke hụrụ m n'anya na-emere m ka m chọrọ. Kemgbe ị batara na ndụ ya, o nweghịzi ihe ọ na-emere m. What's the time, sir? Maazị Congo, Izuchukwu, bring my shoe for me, oh. Yeah? My mother-in-law. I hope all is well. Because I've been trying to make peace with this woman. Since I came into this family, she has been showing me trouble left, right, and center. This one she's calling me. Don't tell why they call am. She no dey pick my call. She no dey gree answer me. The last time when she come here, when she cause fight, my husband come say make she no dey come again. But that doesn't mean I hate her. I love her. This one mama is calling me today. Thank God though. Make I pick her call first. Make I know wetin she wan talk. Hello. Ekaite nwa m. Ndekwa n'otu i mere. Hello, Mama. Yes, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Yes, mommy. We are fine. He don't tell. What of my pikin? Yes, ma. Your son is fine. What of my grandson? Yes, and your grandson too. Everybody is fine. How you take dey manage work now? Work dey fine oo. You go need small pikin wey go dey help you with work in the house. Make you for dey get chance dey do your work well well. I hope say my son dey take care of you. Mama, e be like say you dey for spirit oo, because to manage work and family no easy. The thing dey show me shege no be small. But I dey try small small. How you dey now? How body? Mama, I'm happy to hear from you today oo. Thank you for calling oo. Ọmarịcha nwa. E get one pikin wey dey wey I go send make e come Lagos come help you. You go like am abi? You get pikin for me, you wan send pikin for village? Mama, I've always known you love me regardless. Thank you, Mama. Please, when will you send her? Tuesday morning. I go send her pikin make e come live with you. This Tuesday? Yes, Mama. Thank you. I'll be happy to welcome her. Thank you. What is her name? Charity. No problem. Thank you, Mommy. I will be expecting her. Oh yeah, I go greet am. Thank you. Mama, take care of yourself. I go send something for you. Yeah? Just expect it. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. And you know say I love you. You go be now. Ngwano. Bye. Ngwano, bye. Bye too. It's time.
What is it? Why are you shouting? What is it? Give you? Charity, what is it? Go to the parlor.
Madam, I beg. No vex. Madam, no vex. Madam, I no mean am. No be wetin I mean.
What happened to my son?
I don't die you.
Hey! No wonder I've always had this this strange feeling as to why Mama will suddenly send help to me.
No, madam, no be me, oh. No be me, oh.
Now, so what you came to my house to do is to take away the life of my only son, right?
I'm sorry, madam. Madam, I beg. Na grandmama say make I do when I come to Lagos.
Oh my God! What have I done to this woman? What have I not done right?
Ọgbakọ ụmụada anyị nwere. Ọ dịkwa ka m ejebego n'azụ oge. Arịnze mmiri a nwa m tinyere m n'ụlọ. Nwa m nwoke Chijioke agbalịgokwa ya. Ọ rụọla m ụlọ, gbakwuoro m mmiri na yard. Mana otu a m na-aga ọgbakọ ụmụada, ọ kwesịrị ka nwekwe n'ụgbọala ga-abịa buru m n'ihu ụlọ. Ka m pụọ ebe banye m n'ụgbọala. Mana ọ maka ajọ nwaanyị o jere lụọ. Agwara m Chijioke nwa m si alụ na nwaanyị Kalaba. Mana okwe m, o jee lụọ nwaanyị Kalaba. Mana ihe na-ewute m bụ na nwata nwaanyị a na-afụzi m ka onye iro ya. Ọ na-afụzi m ka onye iro. Amanụ m ihe m ga-eme ka m rute ya. Ọ na-eme na ya amụgo na nwa nwoke. Na onweghịzi ihe mama ga-eme ya. Mama ga-agbakapụzi alụmdi na nwunye ya na di ya. Mụnwa bụ ọbịageri agbara nwaanyị ama. Ya hụ aka chere m, ama m ihe m ga-eme. Aga m akpọ ya n'ekwentị mee ka a ga-asị na mụ na ya adịgo na mma. Mkpọ ya n'ekwentị gwa ya na m ga-akpọtara ya nwa ya na ya ga-ebi. Maka na maka na ọ mụgo otu nwa nwoke. Ofilizie na nwa nwoke a ga-anapụta ya na ọmụgo na nwa nwoke ya ka ọ bịa gbazie ngada na be m. Asị aga m akpọ ya medoo obi gwa ya okwu si ya na m ga-ezitere ya nwa ga na-enyere ya aka. Ọ ga-eche na m hụrụ ya n'anya, mezie ihe m chọrọ ime.
No wonder. I've always known. First thing tomorrow morning, you are leaving.
I beg, no carry me go back village. I don't want to go back. I like this place.
No, you will go back to the village and enjoy yourself there.
Madam, I beg.
Get up. First thing you're leaving my house tomorrow morning.